Hello everyone, this is Gruhini from Gruhinis World. We all know chicken biryani is one of the most favorite dish across the whole world. We can prepare the same dish in wide variety of ways without compromising its mouth-watering taste. Today I am going to show you how can we prepare the same delicious biryani in a very simple way that everyone can try and enjoy the dish. So, let's get started. Okay friends, hope you'll try this recipe. Please watch for more exciting ways of making biryanis in our channel. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Also, if you try this recipe, please share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. Bye!